Hey guys, this is Martin Perdomo, the Elite Strategist, and in this episode, I'm going to share with you the current market updates for August of 2022, guys. And I got to tell you, it's not pretty. I'm going to talk about what's happening nationally with the single-family space, overall real estate market, and then I'm going to talk about multifamily and what's happening in the rental space. We're starting to see some cracks in the foundation there, guys. If you're watching this channel because you're an investor or a consumer, you want to pay attention to this information I'm going to share with you. So this information comes right off from Redfin, and here they go. August 2022 monthly housing market trends report. And the national inventory of active listings increased by 26.6% over the last year, guys. That's a major flag right there in the play. The total inventory of unsold homes, including pending listings, increased by 1.3% year over year due to the decline in pending inventory. Sellers are wanting to hang on. They're starting to notice that the market is changing and sellers are not listings, not as many listings are going on the market. We're starting to get serious out there. Realtor.com's August housing data release reveals that listing price decelerated for the third month in a row as more sellers hit the pause on listing homes, and homes for sale spent more time on the market than last August. Ladies and gentlemen, this basically is telling us that we are now going into a buyer's market. Also, we're starting to see some cracks in the multifamily space. I'm going to share some data with you right from CoStar, and just over 50,000 foot view. United States multifamily, 937,000 of units delivered in the last 12 months, an absorption rate of 308, and with a vacancy rate of 5.2%. We've had a rent growth of 6.9%, which is significantly lower than the 14%. And some markets, we saw 21% that we saw last year. Basically, we in multifamily investors are also going to feel the brunt of this recession and this housing correction. But I want to share very important data here, okay? Here's how CoStar broke this down. So they have for United States multifamily, for 4 and 5 star properties, meaning A-class property, right? Where the rich people, the very expensive executives, white collar workers, we saw there is a jump of 7.1%. So the national average for vacancy is 5%, 5.2% to be exact. In the A class, the 4 and 5 star is what they're calling it, 7.1% vacancy rate. 3 star, 4.8% vacancy rate. So that's a B class. And in the 1 and 2 star, right? So the D class, they're only seeing a 4% vacancy rate. I'm going to share what they wrote about this because I think this is extremely important. This is clear indications that a recession is coming, right? Because usually what happens is people in A class tend to go down to B, B class tend to go down to C. Now, it could or could not, I don't know, but it's an indication. It's just another lead indicator that shows what's happening, and there is some cracks in the multifamily, even in the A-class space, right? What does this tell us? So that just shows people are struggling out there. Lower income earners are the ones that are moving into the 1 and 2 stars. And those places are on demand right now, right? People are struggling with inflation. People are struggling to pay their bills. Those places are on demand. Those smaller, not necessarily the best of shape, not necessarily in the best of neighborhoods. The economy is changing, ladies and gentlemen, and we have to be paying attention to the data. We like to play in the C-class space because we like to play in that affordable sweet spot. There's always going to be a demand for it. We like to provide clean housing. So I suggest that maybe if you did the same and you provided clean, quality housing and help solve the affordable housing crisis that our country is going through today, it might be suggesting that you would be able to weather the storm. Nonetheless, there is a storm coming ahead in terms of real estate and our country economically and what's coming and what's happening and what's about to happen with layoffs. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you like what you heard here, share it with someone that you think might find value in what I just shared here. I appreciate you taking the time to watch and or listen to this podcast. Peace out. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, click on this video up here. It might be something you might like. And guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace out.